Hi there, hope you are doing well. Today I would like to discuss about LLL. Love leads learning. To learn means to acquire the knowledge. Knowledge is acquired through proper realization, and love is towards the self-realization. Life comes from the lofty love with every differential collaboration. Love fills a person with the noble feelings, compassion, sacrifice, sympathy, understanding, welfare, tenderness, and sweetness. But real love in human being is disappearing day by day. After industrial revolution, man has become like a moving machine. Materialistic thoughts have conquered the noble thoughts of a man. Competition in every sphere leads to unhappiness. In modern age means the quality of head have increased in many fold, but their quality of heart have dwindled beyond the imagination. Nowadays, most of the people concentrate and spend most of their time in earning money and peeling of wealth. Their wealth. Love vanishes from their heart. They go away from the real love. The heap of wealth does not give them peace and happiness, though it may give a lot of comforts. The modern generation is striving for happiness in terms of sex, fashion, drinks, drugs, and other intoxicants. They wish to escape from problem-ridden world to a world of intoxicated dreams. But few people know the secret of true happiness. That is, love is the panacea to cure the worldly diseases. Love between children and parents, love between brothers, love between teacher and taught, master and servant, man and God leads to higher thought and higher learning. Love is the repository of peace and bliss. There is the quote, love leads to learning. Love and obeisance with active service leads to learning with every thoroughness, but egoistic ambition makes one steep in interest, lacking in conscientious consideration and deficient in thoroughness. Mother is the source of love. She is the real educator of the child. She is the first teacher who understands the child. She is the first teacher who understands her child better. Educate her child accordingly, shapes the character of the child in a better way. Mother's love is selfless love. Mother in fact stands as an embodiment of sacrifice and compassion. That is why children also in return love their mother quite a lot and learning everything easily from her. Like that way, teachers' love in school leads students to learn more. Teacher is the paviour of learning process. He is the dynamic force of whole educational system. Children are also the potential wealth of our nation. They are always shaped and influenced by the teacher. Therefore, the teacher's personality is the property of our nation. The students learn most of the things from a lovable teacher. Teacher should be the apostrophe of love and create a lovable atmosphere to learn more. But unless a teacher is an ideal, he cannot invoke the noble thoughts of the students. A good teacher is the architect of a student's moral, spiritual as well as physical development. Teachers' affectionate teaching is able to solve all the problems of the child. Love alone can elevate many ills of the society and is undoubtedly the basis of a happy life. Extended to the international sphere, if the nation of the world practice this wonderful principle, there would be no world war, no large-scale massacres, and no widespread destruction. Love and wisdom are the spontaneous honor of the nature adored and worshipped by all the diplomas. Please consider. Take care. Thank you very much.